Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need account signed in and a steady 15 Mbps or better connection, so plug in Ethernet or switch to 5 GHz. Once done, open your party, invite the friend you want to share with, and select Share Play from the party menu. You're starting the session now. This initiates a streamed link between consoles so your friend can watch or take control. Make sure both consoles stay on the same system update to avoid compatibility interruptions while you launch the shared game. Next, decide how you'll share. Give your friend the controller or let them play as a visitor while you watch. Once you grant control, the system negotiates streaming quality. If more precision is needed, change the Share Play video settings to prioritize resolution or smoothness. Also, be aware most sessions have a time limit, plan breaks, and re-invites. To reduce lag, close apps and background downloads on both ends. And check NAT types, because strict NAT can break controller handoff or connection stability. When you're done, return control, save your game, and end Share Play from the party menu so both systems exit cleanly. If you want to continue, make a new invite rather than forcing an expired session to persist. This avoids sync errors. If problems appear, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reduce stream quality first. If lag still occurs, restart the router and switch to a wired connection. These steps resolve most latency and permission issues quickly so you can resume smooth play.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.